Well, hello everybody and welcome to Clum Dog Outdoors. Today we are out here at beautiful Sasheen Lake trying to target in on some tiger trout and some rainbows. We got multiple different presentations that we'll show you guys a little bit later on, but we're running baits in the middle of the water column. We got some plugs on the top of the surface. We're trying to work all the different depths in the water column to try and locate these fish. So hopefully we can get some nice tigers and some nice rainbows for you guys to check out. Oh, here's one right here. There we go. Come on, be a tiger. Yeah. Yeah. Sweet. That's what we were looking for right there. Been bouncing around. This is actually a pretty nice tiger too. A lot of the tigers that we catch out of here are kind of the smaller hatchery sized fish. So this rigging right here is pretty much the go-to for any kind of trout, whether it's browns, rainbows, tigers, anything else. Very common setup that most people use. The only difference is I would like to run a 1 ounce cannonball weight on it right there to get it down. So as I run this out, we're trolling at 1.3 mile an hour right now. I'm putting it out 69 feet and that gets me down about 15 to 17 feet in the water column. And the only reason I know that is because we like to move up into the shallower water. When you move up into those shallower waters, you can see your rod kind of bump once you hit that certain depth. So that gives us an idea of exactly where we're at. Now on the other end of it, we're just running an iridescent color smile blade from Max Lures. I tie these up on my own. I just have all these different designs that I do for walleye and trout and everything else. Then you just tip it with a little worm. For the walleye, we like to run a slow death hook. For the rainbows, it's just a double whammy, 2 hooks right there with a worm on it. So we're running this one. That's gonna get us down there about 15 to 17 feet. Try to pick up those fish in the middle of the water column. As I was dropping it down. Just a rainbow. Not our target species, but it still counts. Just a real pretty rainbow. We got lucky and started the day off with a tiger, which was our target species. But now all we're catching is these rainbows. But if you can find the rainbows, you can find the tigers. Oh, you're on there. You're on.
show all morning. And I finally took in the one. Just to show this little worm rig in here. Just like that. Nice straight presentation. Money. Money, honey. Oop, you got a hit too. Doubled up. Lindsay's double trouble on the iridescent blades.
Well, we had a killer day. Came out here, I think we hammered out probably 5 or 6 tiger trout, quite a few rainbows in between. It's just been a killer day all in all. Most of the fish came off of the flashers with the little Max Smile blades and a worm. Some days they come off of the crankbaits, which we're running these small little rainbow pattern crankbaits from Euro Tackle. These things just kill it on the trout usually, but it changes from day to day. Today was a flasher bite, and so that's what we kind of stuck with. You gotta let the fish tell you what they want, and today that's what they wanted. So we're just running a little worm, smile blade, flashers, killing it on the tiger trout, killing it on the rainbows, just having a damn good time. So if this was helpful, let us know what you guys think. We're always willing to do different kind of things and bounce around and let you guys know what you want to know. So if there's anything you guys want to learn or have any questions for us, let us know. Also, once again, hit that like and subscribe button and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all the different things you can get your hands on. We'll be on them. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you out there on the water.